hello again everybody. So we're back onto Noob's speed pick challenge. I failed on the blue one, I think it was, completely. I've now got the pink one. So kindly sent to me by Capiche. And there it is. What have we got in here? Oh, thank you very much. Some wiper blade inserts. So I can make some of my own bits again. Thanks for that, Capiche. Right, let's get the vise over. Right, sorry it went out of shot. Right, we should be about right there somewhere. So I'm going to pick it a bit differently this time after my last failure. So we're going top of the keyway and start. And there we go. I think that was about 46 seconds, but I shall check it on video and post the proper time. Anyway, thanks for watching. See you again soon. Bye.